at it trying to come up with these new flavors. The negative part, it's not great for production at all. Production is all about long production runs. And we're the opposite of that, which hurts us as well because we're making all of the flavors. Like when we air on QVC, it could be anywhere from 2,000 to 5,000 orders in a 10-minute span that go to 5,000 individual customers that pick different combinations. And this is a nightmare for production. It really is. And that is a challenge. And we are continually working on that. It is not good for a big bakery. And that's why big bakeries would never get into this. That's why I kind of say we're like a little bagel store on a big level. But, we're making like 300,000 bagels a day. So it's not that little. It's very challenging.